Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share Hostinger account. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Hostinger dashboard. You will be on HPanel. Now on the left hand side here, the bottom left, you will see account sharing. I want you to click on this and then you'll be redirected to this page. So you can either request access to another Hostinger account or you can click on give access and then click here to go ahead and paste in an email address who you want to share your Hostinger account with. So paste in this. You can do this with multiple and then go ahead and choose what kind of services you'd like to share. So if we have multiple, you can choose those. I only have business web hosting, so I'll select that and then you assign a role. So if you choose admin for that other person, they'll be able to both manage services and make purchases using your added payment method. Or you can just choose a collaborator where they can go ahead and just manage the services, but they cannot make purchases. So click on give access, and then you'll be sent a two-factor authentication code from your email. Go ahead and paste in that code, click on confirm, and they will be sent an access email. So they'll go and confirm, and they'll be granted access. So it's really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button and subscribe to the channel. Really helps me out as well.